I ordered this from Amazon not long back. It came, and I just opened the box, and I'm going to see what we got. Here's how it's packed. Packing paper. Looks like there's a box inside some plastic here. There's a nondescript blue box. Now there's a word on it, the name of the product. Well, it looks like it's nondescript. Yeah, it's definitely got pictures and such. Mid-size tripod. This looks like the item I ordered. Good. The box, by the way, was in good condition. I don't see any dings or marks on it. Unzip this. Oh, really nice. Adjustable strap. Real nice. I just realized how much of an adjustable strap that is. That makes it really easy. Let me check something. I'll zip this back up. Pick the thing back up, and I'm going to put it on my back, like I'm carrying it. Okay. Yeah, I can carry it across the back real easy like. You know? Yeah, great. It hangs down where my butt is, but I could probably adjustable strap there, maybe even get it to hang up and down on the back. It's just a matter of adjusting the strap. This is good. This is good. I like that nice long strap. Okay, looking good. I see no problems with this. Interesting little component there. Handle folds down. All the way down the back. Maybe get a good folding down handle. Okay. Now it comes up with a good folded handle there like that. That's good. Now, let's see about the next step. Now that I move the camera over. This. Oh, nice. Easy slides. Okay. Nice. Hesitant. Easy sliding. Yeah, no resistance. Oh. Looking good. There we go. Okay, now rotate that around. No snags, no glitches, no hesitation. Good. Got a normal plate on it. It's fine. It looks like a universal back. No problem. Okay, let me drop one set of legs. Take it down just a little bit. Make it easier to see what I'm doing. There we go. Drop the monopole. Okay, good, looks good. Excellent. Stop here, it says. a twist. Yeah. Light twist on it. Not bad. Yeah, this works. Really high monopole. I don't know if you can see just how high this is. It's over my head. Yeah, it's nice. Okay. Bring it down just a little bit. Yeah, good. All looks good. I'm going to have one quick addition. As I was putting the monopole back in, it was fighting me to get back in. I can pull the first one out just fine. It's coming out okay, but coming back in and getting them locked into place, well, maybe practice makes perfect. Here's something I just found out about this thing, that as I was putting the legs back in. I have a tendency, when I have legs extended, like this, to flip the tripod over and do this. Now you saw what I just did, because I learned my lesson a moment ago. Fortunately, the camera was not on the tripod when it happened. So, lesson learned. If you have this thing in park position, or even in this position here, and you're going to move with your legs, make sure you keep the tension on the knob there so that won't move. Okay? And that will allow you to flip it over, or move, run, operate. Like many times in my situation, I'll have the thing up like this with the camera on here. Okay? I'll be on my bike riding along to my next recording location. And when I get there, of course I dismount and set up the thing and record the athletes. Well, if I were to make the mistake when I'm doing a breakdown, because obviously I have to release the tension on this so that I can pivot the athletes coming by. If I make the mistake and not put the tension on, I go and put the legs back, bang. I could drop my camera, bust the camera. Okay. That's something I learned just now. The section of the video you just watched was recorded approximately 2 years ago in the fall of 2018. In that time, I have used the tripod for an entire season of races where I record athletes. I've taken it to a couple conventions and recorded the events there. It has served me well. Now, why I did not get much use out of it in 2020, for obvious reasons, it is still operating just fine. The head there, smooth operation, no kinks and problems. Up and down, nice and smooth. Everything about it, it seems to be working great. I don't see any problem with it. Have not encountered any real problem. The legs, still nice and smooth, nothing broken about them, no problems. All these problems I've mentioned have been occurring in other tripods I've had. For example, the one that I'm using right now just to record this video and hold the camera, it no longer has a pivoting head to speak of. After one season, that will pivot badly. Another tripod I had, a leg broke. So they just haven't worked right. I've had problems after problems. A third tripod, the pole didn't come in and out very well. I mean, it's just problem after problem. And this one doesn't have that. This one is serving me well. I definitely recommend it. So, I gotta get another one for some reason. This is the one I'm gonna get. And that's my recommendation. So, that's my unboxing and review. After 2 years of use, it has served me well. Thank you. Have a nice day.